Hi everybody, welcome back to episode 5 on Technical Analysis Basics. My name is Lydia. If you're new here, you better go check out episode 1, 2, 3, and 4. But for the rest of us who've been here from the beginning, let's get started. Today we are talking about Bollinger Bands, another technical analysis technique used to generate overbought and oversold signals. Some basics that you should know from this video are that Bollinger Bands are not an indication of when price direction will change, okay? It's more of a signal to enter or exit a trade. This is not something that is ever to be really used on its own. So let's get started with this example. We're gonna look at Microsoft on the 4-hour time scale. We're gonna look at a few different things on this chart. So first of all, notice how quickly the change happened. You see how the price is going near the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and this is actually showing maybe an oversold signal, and also that high volatility is coming. And you can see how once it hit the side of the Bollinger Band, the price changed very quickly in an upward direction. However, it was very fast before it went back down again. Bollinger Bands that are wide in correlation to the high volatility of the price action here show that the price is just moving all over the place very quickly and changing based on where the bar is sitting in relationship to the Bollinger Band. So on the next side, the orange arrow showing near the top of the band and going outside can signal an impending downward price movement. It doesn't say exactly when this is going to happen, but it tells you that the price is trading in relation to the top or the bottom of the Bollinger Band, what is going on with the price. And then always keep in mind the width, whether it is narrow or wide, will also tell you more about the volatility. Narrow equals less volatile, wide is more volatile. Got it? Super simple. Okay, so let's look again at Microsoft, which is really interesting because the analyst ratings say that this is a strong buy, which is at odds with the technical indicators, which say that this is a sell. Try and only make trades that you see as very clear, straightforward, confirmed on multiple time scales with multiple indicators, and that fits a strategy that you have practiced and are comfortable with using whenever you want to do trading. Technical analysis can be somebody's Bible. People create often their own styles, and it's just something that you should understand when you're doing your own research for any investments you're making. That was episode 5 on Bollinger Bands. We have 2 more episodes in the basic version of this course, and the advanced course will come out later. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter at lydiascherr.eth, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks so much.